Okay?
Yeah.
Guruji is performing a peace homa. I'm not very knowledgeable, I just heard. Sampath, can you explain it?
Last year, when Guruji spoke, at the end he mentioned that we're going to start Laksh Chandi, and it started in Navaratri. You know, I have had opportunities to participate in the Laksh Chandi in India along with him on few occasions when I was there. He has taken this as a sankalp to do 100,000 chanting of Durga Saptasati along with the Havan. I know, Dr. Kumar, tomorrow you are going to, everybody is going to do the Durga Havan, Chandi Havan here. At the end of the day, we will realize we have done it one time. How much effort it takes. Imagine doing it 100,000 times and he has taken that sankalp. The tremendous amount of power which generates. One day I asked him, why is it that you are doing? I called him and asked him on the phone, you are doing this for 100,000 times. Is there any necessity to do this? He said, now we are passing through this phase in this earth for the protection of all of us. Everybody, it's not just the human beings alone, to protect the earth, protect the mother earth, every living being here on this thing. He said, we need the help of Durga, and we need such tremendous power to take care of this. And in fact, he is doing this for all of us here and everywhere. They may know him, they may not know him, but that's the function of the Guru, to take care of the humanity here on this earth. And that's exactly for peace. And we all see the situation, how bad it is all over the world. So it is in that context he is doing that. He has started and it is continuing, and he said the whole thing will, he extended it until March of next year. So the Purnahati will happen in March 2013. That's the instruction to him from his Guru and the Divine Mother. And in this coming Navaratri, he always mentions, Navaratri is a very important occasion for these 9-10 days. He is doing a Baglamukhi Koti Archan along with the Chandi, which is parallelly goes on in India in the ashram. At the same time, the extension of the Durga Saptasati, the thing from India, we are doing one chanting a day, every day, in our office, in my office. You know, there's a priest who comes, and there are a group of devotees who come there and they chant every day. And in fact, I would suggest he conducts satsang. We have satsang with him in the evening at 6:30, and the information will be available to you at in the counter, or the volunteers will pass on those information. Please do come and participate. And his aim is, in this next 3 weeks he is here in Michigan. Every day he is going to talk about Chandi and its importance. If you leave it to him, he can talk on this thousands of hours, I can tell you. He is some tremendous storehouse of knowledge. And every time he doesn't repeat the same thing, goes on and on and on. Any doubt you have, he is able to clarify. The website has got all the information. The website is www.divyachetna.com. Please visit that website. You will have a lot of information and our regular activity as well. Anything else you want? Yeah. Yeah, he is inviting You're all invited to come and participate in the Purnahuti of Durga Saptasati in March, and at the same time is also inviting for the Baglamukhi Koti Archan during this coming Navaratri. Usually there are a group of people who go and attend from here. Believe me, once you are there in the ashram, it's very difficult to explain. It's something very unique, very powerful, Baglamukhi ashram. It's like a Shaktipeeth. It is a Shaktipeeth. So you all are requested, see if you can make it. If you can make it, I guarantee you, you will regularly visit there all the time. Thank you.
There in January.
Oh,
Everybody knows about Kumbh Mela, I think. In India, we know about Kumbh. That will be in January 2013. And we always arrange with our groups there. So if someone from you is interested in coming there, you may be in touch with Parashakti temple, and they are in touch with Sampath and other. So you will get lot of guidance and arrangements there, nothing to worry. Second thing, whenever you come to India, especially to Bombay, definitely come to my ashram. Don't think that that is Baglamukhi, this is Parashakti. God is God. This is the divine company, it's your family. I never hesitate in coming here. So you can come there, you can enjoy there. And if at all you can get rare opportunity of being a participant in Purnahuti of that Lakshandi, next year it will be very high thing in your life. And only one thing I must appreciate, that you are definitely lucky to get such a place here, because to be in US system is different, to be in India system is easier. There we can follow a lot of things very easily. To do home there is no problem, but to do home here is very big problem. Anyway, you are all definitely blessed one. So whenever you get a chance to come to Bombay or to India, come to us, be in touch with Sampath. I have my centers in Kashi, in Delhi. Very recently we are going to operate one center in Kamakhya, at different places. We have our contacts and centers in Dubai also, Kuwait also. Of course, Muslim countries don't allow that much, even in Russia also. But throughout the world, we are doing a lot of activities. And I will be here for 3 weeks. You can come to me, you can discuss any topic for your benefit. I'm freely open, no charges, nothing. And don't hesitate in coming to me, okay? Again, I'm blessing everybody here. Let the Divine Mother work for you. But only your duty is to awaken her. That's all, okay?
I want to tell one thing. 2 years ago, every year